Hello guys, get back to another video.
Ouch!
Oh!
I ain't doing no more of those.
No. What happened?
It blew up in the tube.
It blew up in the tube. Oh.
Oh my God, these.
Yeah, that's too dangerous.
That one just scared the mess out of me.
Todd, how much does A-Byte technology to fix an iPhone screen?
Huh?
How much does A-Byte technology charge to fix an iPhone screen? Hey, are we allowed to pop firecrackers? Are we allowed to pop firecrackers?
Oh, I'm not sure since I know when you keep hearing it, it's like you're right over there, so you're not sure what's going on.
Only yours popping it, so like they're about our front door.
But, I mean, I guess you are. Like I said, I don't know.
We're almost done.
Okay.
They are fine.
How much did A-Byte
Like
technology?
50 something, 40 something.
You know how much it is?
It's just like bass.
No, they take like a week or two.
I want you sparkles.
I want
You'll
those.
have to do those out that way.
Yeah, I'm kind of scared to do this now.
Yeah, those big ones. Yeah, but
They still work. I'd let the tube rest.
Those two ones, those big, those go up the arrow.
Are you going to do another one of those?
How can they go up it? Man, they look small. I'm getting behind the truck next. I'm not.
Wait a minute. Let me move.
No, I ain't doing another one.
Oh. Those go up the air too.
it's still far.
Yeah, I know. I can't get it out.
I don't know why I started a new video for.
I'll get two of them. They catch your rest of them later on.
Well, obviously, you're not going to be able to took that one anyway.
It's an X. You wanna pop? Oh my God. Mama, the power can go on for this. This goes up the arrow.
Is that those whistling things?
Yeah, we can't do whistlers
not the
because if they
whistling
shoot any direction, we can't do it here. It's going to go to a window or somebody's house.
I guess y'all done bigger.
Is this one Risco? Is this one Wisco?
Oh, those are sparklers.
Yeah. That's all she wanted.
I don't know if those go straight up or not.
Read it.
That's the one that shot us at us earlier.
No.
I think that's about all we can do right now. You know how me get all the good fireworks, put them back in your car?
Let's see what else we got. Oh, these can be okay. It's small.
That'd fall over easier.
What's that?
I don't know.
It follows you?
It'll fall over easier. I'd wait till you're in a bigger field to light the rest of these. Yeah, I'd wait till you're somewhere open.
These things again. No wonder these put up there. These so big like balls. They have like.
Yeah, I'd keep the tube. Here you go. You can put the tube, after I get it out, you can put the tube back in there and try to shoot them later on, you know?
Mm.
Here you go, man. You want me to put all these in the back of your car?
Yeah.
And we'll try them late next year or something?
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll have more room. Hey, Mom, I'm just going to put the rest of these up. You hear me?
Where can they go to fire?
Oh hell, somebody else has that going.
They're right over there. I guess because they're in the alcove back there. There's like a dead end with a big circle back there. Oh, fuck, they're in the first location, yeah. See, we're right here by the road.
Are they close at the house? Are they far away?
It's kind of down in the alcove down
I wouldn't shoot
the
this
street.
one. I wouldn't shoot these two anymore. Them ones shoot the flaming balls in there. Okay. That was the flaming balls.
Well, the flaming balls, as
That
long
one's-
as they go straight.
That one shoots missiles. Yeah, but they'll fall again. I don't have nothing sturdy right now. You should let me know we're doing it.
Then it's bad. This is not. And our last pad, we didn't get fireworks like this. Our only special firework was the one.
I thought about trying to find from a damn country road somewhere. Yeah, I thought about trying to find a damn country road or something somewhere.
Guys, guys, I might have to go. This might be the end.
Get all the trash and put it in the box. Keep what?
It's two. So you can shoot the rest of those. I'd hate to waste them.
I just popped that again. I thought we done.
Well, I'm trying to clean it out so you can keep it. That way we can shoot the rest of these later on, you know? We got 4 left.
Guys, like it's the end.
Damn, I need to get that flame out before they go up and back the ball.
Guys, thanks for watching. If you didn't see my last video, last video was good. It was like 8 minutes long. And this video is like 6 minutes long. Thanks for watching. I hope you joined the fireworks. It's not really 4th of July. It's like July 5th because we couldn't pop fireworks yesterday because we didn't have nowhere to pop them. So today's the 5th of July. Guys, thanks for watching. Video, like, subscribe because I do have a last year video 4th of July. And bye, guys.